In this video, I will explain the requirements you must meet in order to be eligible to sit for the CPA exam and be licensed as a CPA in Montana. So, keep watching. Hey future CPAs, this is Ala Abudaya. I'm a licensed CPA in the state of Colorado and I help students pass the CPA exam and become CPAs. If this is your first time here and you're interested in becoming CPAs, start by subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell in order not to miss any of my videos. To qualify to apply to sit for the CPA exam in Montana, there are certain requirements you must meet. Comment below and tell me if you are planning to apply to Montana State Board of Accountancy to sit for the CPA exam. Now, Montana does not have any age or citizenship or even residency requirements to sit for the CPA exam. In addition, Montana does not have any social security number requirements. With that said, Montana is considered a great option for international students who do not have a social security number. If you want other state options that are also suitable for international candidates, watch this video, which I gave some good states for international candidates. Now, with respect to the educational requirements you must meet to sit for the CPA exam in Montana, you must have completed the following credit hours from an accredited 4-year institution. You must have at least 24 semester hours of accounting courses above the introductory level, which must include financial accounting, auditing, taxation, and management accounting. In addition to the 24 accounting courses, you must have also at least 24 semester hours in general business courses such as information systems, business law, finance, economics, marketing, ethics, organizational behavior. Does this make sense? If you studied outside the United States, then you must send your academic credentials for evaluation by NASPA, International Evaluation Services. This is the only acceptable evaluation service provider for Montana. Comment below and tell me if you meet these educational requirements. So these are the requirements to apply to sit for the CPA exam in Montana. To learn the step-by-step process to apply and schedule your CPA exams, make sure to get your CPA exam cheat sheet. It's in the link below, in the description below. It is totally free. So make sure to get this cheat sheet, which I give you step-by-step process to apply to your CPA exam and schedule the exam. So make sure to get this sheet. This state also allows you to sit for the exam in any place in the United States or internationally. Concerning the licensing requirements, they are different from the CPA exam requirements. Watch this video, which I explain the differences between the CPA sitting requirements and CPA licensing requirements. To be licensed in Montana State, you must meet the 4 E requirements, which are E number 1, education. Montana requires you to have a minimum of a baccalaureate degree and a minimum of 150 credit hours to be licensed, and not 120 hours as required to sit for the exam. The second E you must have is passing the 4 parts of the exam. To learn the 4 parts of the CPA exam, watch this video, and to get tips and tricks on how to pass each of the 4 parts of the CPA exam, make sure to watch these 4 videos, which I gave tips and tricks to pass the FAR part, the audit part, the RIG part, and the BIC part. So make sure to watch these 4 videos. The third E you must meet in order to be licensed is the ethics exam. You must pass the AICPA Professional Ethics exam. And finally comes the 4th E you must meet, which is the experience. You must have at least 1 year of acceptable accounting and auditing experience, which means 2,000 hours, obtained within 3 years preceding the date of applying for licensing. This experience includes performing accounting and auditing function ordinarily required in the practice of public accounting, which can be in the private, governmental, academic, or public accounting areas. This experience must be verified by a United States CPA in a good standing, or a supervisor licensed from a professional accounting body with a mutual recognition agreement with NASPA. If your supervisor is not a US CPA, you have the option to use the services of the NASPA Experience Verification Service to obtain attestation by a US CPA. Another option you have is to obtain an attestation from an individual who is not your supervisor, but they must be familiar with your work and able to attest that the experience meets professional standards. If the attesting CPA is not your supervisor, they must explain how they verified the experience. With that said, make sure to fulfill this experience requirement to be approved for licensing. Comment below and tell me if you meet the 4E requirements or not. Watch this video to learn my CPA exam success story. And get my CPA exam success book from Amazon today. It's in the link below. So go ahead and get this book. In this book, I explain how I was able to pass the CPA exam despite the difficulties I faced in my life, and how my study schedules and study plans exactly looked like. So go ahead and get this book. The link is in the description below. Once you read the book, please go ahead and give it a short review on Amazon. I will be very thankful for you. My next video will be about Alabama CPA requirements, so make sure to subscribe to this channel to get this video. Also, watch this video which I gave some tips to help you increase your CPA exam score, and this video which I gave you some tips to study smarter for the CPA exam. Remember, go after what you want, pass the CPA exam because you can become CPAs and save the world.